Right, we're gonna start off with our loop. We're going to chain. Let's just chain. Let's chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're gonna turn our work. Let's do 11. So one more chain. Then we're going to skip the first loop and we're going to go right into this first one for our single crochet. Okay, so go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. Next loop, go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. And I will just do this all the way through so that way you can get an idea of how to do a single crochet. And I crocheted a little too tight for my chain, so you want to make sure when you make your chain that it's as loose as possible. You want to have your tension just right. You don't want your work to be too tight or too loose. And you want it to be just right. And once you just get the feel for your crocheting, then you'll be comfortable with knowing what the kind of tension that you need to have on your work. All right. Last stitch, and then I'll just do one more row of the single crochet. So turn it around. Some people chain. We can just chain. So we'll chain 1, turn your work around, go into the first stitch and begin your single crochet. Again, right. Last stitch. And that is how you single crochet. Okay. Thank you for watching.